Hey Princess House, Linda Bradley here with your new e-commerce specials. So it's the week of Thanksgiving. The year is flying by, and the e-commerce specials are a great way for you to take advantage of some great prices with no shipping delays. So these items will ship and be delivered within 2 weeks. So if you want them for your own personal holiday, they're ready for you. And if you want them for gifts, they're ready for you. We can ship them anywhere in the United States, and you pay in full, and there's no limit, so you can buy as many as you want. These e-commerce specials are only offered for a short amount of time. They actually end this coming Friday, which is the 27th of November. So make sure that you take advantage of them. Now, if you need to wait till payday to get them, which is probably Friday for you, just make sure you comment underneath this video and I'll make sure I remind you so that you do not forget. Here we go with the newest e-commerce specials. You can always reach out to me as well, Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com. So Princess House tries to put a nice variety of items on sale for you. And so the first one I have to show you are our graters. So there are two different ones. There's a fine grater and a coarse grater. And they're really nice because they also hook together. So they're real easy. If you do have the Dyson chopper, they fit perfectly on top of it. But if you don't have it, you can just use them with a bowl. So they're great for making your zest, whether it's your lemons, your limes, you just need the zest. Or of course you can use it for hard cheese. So they come in this set of two. They're a fine and a coarse grater, and they're on sale for $21. We also have another item that's great for your food preparation, and this is the food scoop. So I love this because especially when you have bigger items, when you're doing melons or some of the bigger things and you're trying to get it off your board, this is a nice deep scoop that it takes everything and scoops it off. And I know you probably can't see it, but there's also measurements inside, and it'll tell you 1 cup, a 3/4 of a cup, a 1/2 cup. So if you know how much you need, it's real easy to do that. So it's a nice food scoop. It has the silicone base, the edges on it, and this one is on sale for $17. In the Marbella, we have our butter dish, and the Marbella is one of my favorite items because I love the design. It's just such a pretty pattern. This is pretty enough that you can just leave it on your counter. A lot of people leave their butter out all the year round. We do actually, and especially when you do leave butter out of refrigeration, you're supposed to leave it in an opaque dish, which this fits the bill. So this is the Marbella butter dish, and this one is on sale for $21. Like I said, these are all the e-commerce specials. So you can go right to my website, www.princesshouse.com/LBradley, and order whatever it is that you like. These are separate from party specials. They cannot count on party shoes. The next item we have is in the Pavillion, and this is the beautiful deep red berry. We love this color. The Pavillion is stoneware, so just like the Marbella, it's oven safe up to 400 degrees. These come in a set of 4, and these are on sale for $44. Also in the Pavillion, and this is an item, Marbella, this is an item that you probably have never seen. This was a Hostess special way back in May. It's not in the regular catalog, and neither is the actual color. So this is the teal. They also call it like a robin's blue. Aqua is the correct name. But again, I don't know if you can see that beautiful Marbella pattern. I really just love the Marbella. And this is a 3-quart dish. So it's really nice and large. It's great for any of your, your salads, potato salad, coleslaw, or green salad, whatever you want. And again, it is stoneware, so it's oven safe as well. So this is available for $59. I do want to let you know that a lot of these products are discontinued, and that being said, they are while supplies last. So I'm telling you that yes, this sale ends on the 27th of November, but if they run out early, they run out. So if there's something that you like, I would highly recommend you take it as soon as you can. All right, this is in the Fantasia Fresh, the wildly popular products. The bottoms are borosilicate glass, so they're oven safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, refrigerator safe, and freezer safe. The lids are a combination of BPA-free plastic and silicone. They have great little tabs on them, so once you finish putting the lid on, you pop the tab down. It takes all of the air out, but it's also nice because you can tab it and put it in the microwave. Now, this is a 1 quart bowl. The one that's on sale is a 2 quart bowl, so it's actually twice as big. And it is on sale for $29. And that's a really nice price. All right, 2 more left. This is a tri-ply piece, so it's the 3, the stainless steel, aluminum stainless steel, all the way up the edges. It's not non-stick, but it has the easy release feature. This is a 3.25 quart dish, and it has the nice long handle, so it's a saucepan. Not available in the catalog, very rare item, and this one's on sale for $89. Remember that all of our cookware has a lifetime warranty, so that is a really good price. And my favorite item, the company brings this back every now and again. It is not in the catalog anymore. This is our cast iron grill pan. So I want to show you that it's so special. It has that gorgeous red enamel on the bottom. So this piece is not only safe on your stovetop, gas, electric, flat top, whatever you have, it can go in your oven and it can go out back on your grill. So it's a great piece. You'll see. You see the lines inside, right? The grill pan. What's nice about cast iron is these pieces, they heat up really nice and fast and they hold the heat really long. So once you warm it up, you can kick it back to low and it's going to heat your foods up really well. Over time, it builds up what's called a patina, and that's actually something that you don't want to scrub off because it adds all the oils and fats from your previous meals to your current meal, so it flavors your foods deliciously. This is a great piece because you can use it for so many things: steak, chicken, chops, panini sandwiches, anything like that. Like I said, it is not in the regular book. So this is on sale for $119. That's a really good price. It's been on sale a few times, but I think that's the best price that we've had it. So that's it, my friends. These are the current e-commerce specials through November 27th. You can go right to my website, www.princesshouse.com/LBradley, or you can just reach out to me, Linda Bradley, at myprincesshouse.com, and I'm more than happy to help you with that. Please like and share my video. There might be other people that you know that are looking for Princess House, and we meet so many people that don't even know who Princess House is, never heard of us, or other people that don't even know we're still in business. So please share me, because then other people will know. Alrighty, I will be back the next time new specials come out. Always keep you updated. Keep in mind whatever gifts that you do need for the holiday season, because some of these are awesome pieces, especially this one. I love this one. Actually, this one too. That people would really enjoy getting, especially right now. Everybody's home cooking all of the time, so they like getting new items that help them with that, right?